Freshwater resources are severely limited on the island nation of the Republic of the Kiribati Islands, a developing country in the Central Pacific. Their principal food source, agriculture and fisheries, heavily relies on freshwater. Unfortunately, climate change intensifies this issue, creating a more severe threat to the Kiribati people's livelihood. Today, their agricultural output is declining and will continue as the effects of climate change are exacerbated and their freshwater supply diminishes. This island is already vulnerable due to their location, since they live on the coast and their infrastructure is underdeveloped. Over half of the inhabitants live on an atoll in traditionally weakly raised huts. Since they are an island nation, just 1 meter of sea rise results in contamination of their freshwater due to the resulting mixture of brackish waters as the ocean water mixes with fresh water. In other words, Kiribati is poorly prepared to withstand the sea level rise as compared to the other smaller island nations. Kiribatians are the ones that are most at risk. They are the ones with the least amount of connections and resources due to their relative geographical isolation. The villagers of these islands are already relocating, but this method is only a temporary solution to a permanent problem. Their president is already speaking with Fiji's government to form a contingency plan so they have somewhere to relocate to once their islands are all below sea level. Ideally, the more developed, powerful nations in the region would recognize the urgency of the disturbance of their freshwater resources and its connection to climate change. They should simply stop burning fossil fuels and transition to renewable energy. The reality of this problem is the Kiribati people will likely have to completely abandon their homes and heritage and seek refuge in a country with higher elevation and a willingness to accept them.